Good morning, class. We're going to start with lesson 122 today. I know that's skipping a week, but with 2 weeks off, I know most of you have completed all of last week's lessons, and that's fine. That's a-okay. If you haven't, I'll be glad to help you one-on-one if you're stuck on any of those lessons, 117 through 121. But today we're going to start with the math. Looks like this. Get this one out. The great thing about YouTube is you can pause it and get out the right paper and then start after you write your name at the top. Now, you're going to add in the first section. I know all of y'all already know how to add, so this one's going to be easy, but go ahead and add right here. When you're done with that, go down to the next section, and it's just asking you to write in the little box, write the number that comes before the number they show you. So what comes before 9? 8. Good job. Good job. Okay, then we're going to go down to the next section. And it says, what time is it? What time is it? I know y'all haven't forgotten how to read the time. Remember that the short hand points to the hour and the long hand points to the minute. So the hour goes first and the minutes goes second. Good job. The next section is a little plane, and it just asks you to draw how many nickels do you need if you want to buy a plane for 25 cents. How many nickels? Draw your nickels right here. Remember, nickels have Jefferson on the front, and where Jefferson lives on the back, that little building, Monticello, and it's worth 5 cents. So how many nickels do you need to buy a toy plane for 25 cents? Draw your answer. Okay, on the back has a cute little ship, and you're going to add again. I already know y'all have that down pat, no problems there. The next section just says, write by tens. We're just skip counting by tens. Y'all are masters at that. Just do that for me and write them in here. Remember, when you count by tens, that the number comes first and then you write the 0. 10 is 1 0. 20 is 2 0. So write the skip count starting here, go all the way across, then go down here, and then finish up down here in the last, okay? Now, circle how many cents. How many cents? Count the pennies. Pennies are worth 1 cent a piece. So how many cents? Circle the one right there. Same thing with this one. Remember, nickels are worth 5. Nickels are worth 5 cents. So how many cents is this worth? Circle the answer. That's it. We finished our first lesson. Yay! Math down. Now you can pause it as you get out your next lesson for 121. The paper's going to look like that. Get the paper out, write your name on it, and then you're going to mark the vowels. Now, I know you know how to do this. Remember, if it's a short sound, ah, for, as in not ah's something else. I'm so sorry. Ack. As in apple. That's short, so it gets a little smiley face. Remember? Okay. So then ope. O is the long vowel, but there's no A sound in there. It's not A for apple. No. And it's not A, it's sound. Nope. It's O. You put the stick over the O, and you mark out the A because there's no sound of the A. Because when two vowels go walking, the first one says its name and the second one is quiet. Okay, so then do all the rest of them. Remember, if it's a short sound, you put the smiley face. If it's a long sound, you put the stick. If it doesn't say anything at all, you cross it out, okay? Remember that? Down here, you remember that friendly E is at the end, so you know what friendly E makes the A do. Remember how to do those. Then when you get down to the bottom section, it's going to tell you to fill in the circle under the word that completes each sentence. Each sentence. So what is that a picture of? You're going to fill in the circle under the correct answer over here, okay? Same for this one and this one. I'll turn it over when you're ready. Circle the letter that completes each word and draw a picture. Circle the letter that completes each word. Okay? Circle the letter that completes the word and then draw a picture with crayons, colored pencils, markers, whatever your mom and dad will let you use. Okay. Then the very last section on this one, okay? Use the color key to color the hot air balloon. Remember our blends? ST, 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 st. You're going to color them blue. So anywhere there's a ST, you're going to color it blue. Anywhere there's a sh, 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 you're going to color it green. Sh, green. You're going to color it orange. TH. Let's practice along, okay? St, st, st. Sh, sh, sh. Remember to put your tongue through your teeth. Th. Sh. St, st, st. Okay. That's the second one down. Yay! We only have one more for lesson 122. Lesson 122 is the letter R. 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 Remember, it's going to show you how to write your letter. You start at the top and go down. Pick your pencil up. Start at the top. Go out and back. Then go down diagonal, okay? That's your 3 marks. Start at the top, go straight down, pick your pencil up, start at the top, go out and around and back, then out diagonal. Pick your pencil up. Okay, now the R, you start at the halfway. You don't start at the top because it's not a capital. You start at the halfway and you go down, pick your pencil up, and go a part circle. It's a little arch. Part of the circle. That's the second part. Okay, go ahead and trace. Then write your letters. Trace. Then write your letters. Trace your sentence, remembering your question mark because punctuation is important in a sentence. Then write out your sentence. Okay, when you're done with that, turn it over and do the same thing on the other side. You're going to put your name at the top, and you're going to practice your P and your Q because you've already done those, so it's a review. And then write your sentence with the exclamation mark. Punctuation is important. And then write your sentence. All right, that's lesson 122, and I'll post this in just a moment so you can follow along, and if you have any questions, please write it in the comment section, and I'll talk with you later.